Alright, up next, we have a HT103 pole saw. My absolute favorite, ain't it? That's alright, we're not going inside here today. We have some parts over here, like a new filter housing. Part number right there. Air filter. What do we have here? Spacer flange. Lever. And some gaskets we're gonna put on this guy. So we're all doing the work over here today. Nothing down there. And I can't be more happy about that. So let's go ahead and start taking off. Oh, that's already out. Oh, and that's stripped. That's always fun. Alright. We have a torx bit just a little bit bigger than the screw. And there it goes. There it is. Off we go. Yeah. Shoot. Boom. That's not good. Alright, shroud's coming out. Sorry, it might be a little loud. I got my Mr. Heater going. It's freezing. And I could not apologize enough. Oh, why does it look so loose, but then we can't get it out? There it goes. Oh yeah. Let's see, we're not getting a full draw on there. Not looking too good. This is worn out. So that's the lever, spacer, flange, gaskets we're replacing. Let's give this a quick blow, huh? All right. There we go. That's a little better, right? All right, let's get off this housing real quick. That'll sit right there just nice. Pop that baby right off. Get it off of our tank vent. Now here's our carburetor. Alright, before we take off the rest of our carburetor, or take it off at all, I'm gonna get rid of this gas in here. Oh, and it's full up too. Okay. There we go. Careful. Careful. Carefully. We were as careful as we could be. Minimal damage. That. Where did that? Oh. No way. That's exactly what that was. Well, there's the insert to that. That's doesn't matter. We're gonna have to get this off of there too for the new one. But we got all the gas out of it. Let's try and get our gas lines off. And I'm gonna pop this right out of there too while we're here. There we go. Off and off. And there we go. Gasket off. Lever off. And now we're at our spacer flange. Now that we're at the spacer flange, we can just unscrew those real quick and pop it right off, and there we are. Get those screws out of there. Oh, the one's still stuck in there. And get these out of there. And that can go directly on the floor. Come on now. Oh, before I throw it, don't forget to get that guy off. Here we go. Come on now. There it is. I went for the bucket on that one, but you seen where it went. Come on, bucket. Come on, bucket. Nope, no bucket. But I am making them, and that's the point. So now that our spacer flange is off and thrown away, or on the ground, I would say, we're going to take these guys, put them back in through the back here, and make sure they turn and go into their little slots there. There we go. Now, we have this guy, goes in here. The way I like to do this is to put the gasket on that guy. And you can see the gasket doesn't just slide right on. I like to spin it on maybe 1 or 2 threads. And then we're going to get it right in here. Move all that stuff out of the way. Get this one started and don't worry about that gasket. You can get it started with your fingers just like that. I'll take my finger right here and move it. See how I can move that gasket up and down? I move it right to the hole. Put our screw back in. And then see I can move it straight to the hole. On. Gasket's still right there. Get it down. Boom. We'll try and reset if I can get it. Just go right back in where it's supposed to go, just like that. Lock it down. Also, make sure both of these are still moving freely. There we go. New spacer flange in. It's working. Now with our spacer flange freshly in, I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy back in. It's gonna go straight down, push in, and then turn up. Now look at that. Much more solid. Much better pull. And there we go. That's right back on there. Isn't that nice? Brand new gasket for that guy. We can put this right back on. Make sure our impulse hose is on down here. That really hurt. That might have cut me. That might have cut me wide open there. That's alright. Put on our... Get our fuel line started. Well, that one went all the way on. And our return line, we are going to get some pliers for it. Got our needle nose pliers. We're just gonna use that to push that up just like that. And then this side, we're gonna get it started in the big hole and push it right in. Just like that. Boom. We're moving. And we got a full draw on our carburetor. Much better. Open this baby up and get it ready. There we go. Pop on that. Make sure it's pointing ready for our tank vent. And that's ready to go on. Alright, I did have another one of them. So that is in there. If you guys check out my lives, you can see me miss every single one of them. Because I really don't make them that much. But there we go. Oh, we know what we forgot. We're going to take this right back off. No gasket on there. So let's make sure our gasket's on. The gasket's on there. I like to push that tank vent out just a little bit to get the hose back on it. Push it right in like that. There we go. That feels better. There we go. Whilst we're here, let's go ahead and adjust these valves. We're gonna start taking our spark plug out. Looks really good. Take this guy off. Now, let's get it in the top dead center by watching for this intake one to move. There it goes. After it's done moving, we're going to bring the piston up. Oh, I went a little far. Move it back. There it is. Top dead center. Perfect. All right. Just a little loose. We're going to tighten these up just a bit. It's a little tight. Still a little tight. There we go. That's not too bad right there. Nice. Nice. Plug it right back up. Put a spark plug right back in. I think she's ready to fire up. Gonna get some gas in her. Won't run too well without the gas. Oh, primed right up. See if she runs a little better. And that's another job well done. We're not going to replace this. Like I said, they're a landscaping company. I'll tell them that it's broke. I'll write it on the work order. But boom, there's a spacer flange repair. She's ready to go. On to the next one.